Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral literally everywhere right changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that the engineering behind it is brilliant, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need thsi in your life is because it delivers outstanding results instantly. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest. Finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this viral literally everywhere right changes everything. Stop scrolling right now. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing